God damn. You guys remember this car? What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are at my brother Cameron's house and we're gonna be working on his 2016 WRX. A lot of you guys may remember this car from when we did the whole build on it. We did the wheels, springs, roof wrap, interior stuff, all that good stuff. And what we're gonna be doing today is finally getting an STI wing on and replacing his front lip. What's up, bro?
What up?
How you doing, man?
Oh, good. Things are good. You guys probably don't recognize me. I have a freaking gnarly beard. Last time you saw me, I had no hair at all, so probably don't recognize me at all. But yeah, we're gonna spruce up the WRX a little bit today.
One more thing before we get this video started. Go down below and let me know if you guys want to see a race between this 2016 WRX and the 350Z. I think they're right around the same power level, but the 350Z is a bit heavier, but it'd be a good race. If you guys want to see it, go comment down below. So this is the wing we are putting on the car. He did end up picking up another trunk, already the same color, off Craigslist for like $200. And then this is, did we get this off Amazon or eBay?
This was an eBay wing. Yeah, has a template and everything, so it should make installation pretty dang easy.
Yeah, overall, dude, this thing looks good. Have you checked the color? Like, does it match pretty good? Yeah, that's pretty damn close, dude. Close enough. That's gonna look so freaking sick. So being that the new trunk does already have the same exact, is this a limited spoiler or did all of them come with it? This little trunk clip right here, we both really like it. As you guys know, I have a trunk clip and a wing on my FRS and my Evo 10. And so we're gonna just do the same thing on this car. Leave that stock little lip on there, and hopefully the wing still fits. I'm pretty sure it does because we've seen a few photos online with both of them installed. So it should look pretty sick. This is Cameron's whole thing. He does YouTube as well. I'm sure you guys know that. But this is his current build he's working on, and he just got this tank on here. That is freaking nuts, bruh.
Full on carbon fiber.
That is crazy. So the first thing we are going to do is take off the stock trunk. The reason why don't you just want to put it on this trunk?
Well, I mean, I got such a good deal on the other one that I don't feel like drilling into this one where the VIN matches the rest of the car. I mean, this car is pretty clean, but figured might as well just swap the trunk. That way I can go back and forth if I want to between or just a lip and a wing.
So yeah, first thing we're gonna do, take this trunk off, get the new one on. It's gonna be a lot easier to drill for the wing when the trunk is on the car. We got the new trunk on the car. I think the next thing we are gonna do is grab the template, I guess. Grab the template, throw it up on there. Yeah, hopefully we drill the holes in the right spot. You guys may remember Bobby's sister's car. Her name is Nikki. It was that blue WRX that we did an STI wing on. And I didn't have a template for that, so I kind of had to make my own. But this one, it should be a lot easier.
Front,
oh,
rear.
Dude.
So it even,
that is so nice.
Look at it, even lines up with the lip here.
And the right on the front.
Yeah.
So
literally you could just like...
Should we put it all the way to the front edge? Or should we do it to the lip?
I would...
It's up to you.
I think it would make most sense to go on the actual trunk.
Yeah,
right?
Let's do that. Should we grab some tape? Do you have just a little bit of tape?
Mm-hmm.
Taper down. Yeah, that'll be easy, dude. That is so freaking nice. So there's only 4 holes, right? Wait, there's 2? Damn, bro. This thing looks so sick. Oof. I feel like every one of these WRXs needs an STI wing.
I think we should do a black on top.
I think it'll look good.
Yeah, I think that would look good.
It matched the roof. We should probably wrap this someday too.
Yeah.
I tried, and then I was like, fuck it with that shitty vinyl. Alright, let's drill some holes. So the templates they include are actually very, very handy. They line up with the trunk clip in the back and then right up with the trunk on the front. So we're just gonna tape this template down to the car and then drill 2 holes per side. That's all there is. And then we're just gonna run double side tape around the edge of the wing and hopefully it doesn't fall off. Hello. Ooh. Don't break a window.
Goon in here.
Only Devin breaks windows.
Yeah, especially on 2016 WRXs.
Devin Niemela.
Ooh, look how that's some tight fitment there.
So is he a line?
Yeah.
Why do you have an 8mm bolt, bro?
No, it's perfect. Well, that's all we could find.
Noob. Wow. You're kind of cute.
How far are you zooming in?
Right on your eyeballs.
Oh, thanks.
Nice mouth.
Hey,
too.
babe.
What?
Can you do me a favor? I really need a picture for Instagram, so can you take a picture of me, please? I don't know what to do, but I really need.
So Cameron got all the holes drilled. There's only 2 holes per side, which is absolutely crazy, I think. But we're over here. Bobby's posted up, just doing Instagram things. And we're putting double-sided tape on the whole bottom of it, so hopefully that's going to hold it on more. And there's also this adhesion promoter crap that they sent. Yeah, I said crap. Why are you giggling? But this stuff feels like RTV to me, so I don't know if it's going to make it better or worse.
We have barely enough double-sided tape.
Oh, you're fine. You ready? Should we bolt these things on?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to bolt this one on, bro. Should we do an adhesion promoter on the top, too? Probably should. The more you know. This is it. This is it, boys. Let's send it for the boys. What bolts are we using, bro? And Worcesters. I can't wait till we race, and we're going so fast that the wing just falls off.
That's why we put the wing on first. That way it can,
Oh yeah, aerodynamics.
that way it can definitely beat you.
Huh.
Huh, what do you got to say, Hog?
I don't know. I don't know if I want to be a part of this race.
We don't know if we're racing yet. They have to comment down below if they want to see us race.
Okay.
So if you don't comment down below, we're not going to race. Even though we're going to race today, but I'm just not going to tell you guys. Oh yeah. Ooh.
Minty?
We should just keep it like that.
Yeah.
Ew, what if?
This
Oh,
is the
wait.
best part of my life.
That's what's supposed to go on there, huh?
I love big wings.
I'll let you do the honors, I guess so.
Oh my gosh,
Dude.
Julian.
It even fits, bro.
Is it like a press fit?
Yeah, there's like
Snaps
two,
in?
there's like 2 dowels that rise in. Oh!
Ooh,
Oh!
I'm gonna take a step
Cover
back.
up my pee-pee because it looks so good. Seriously. Holy shit, Dick.
Holy shit, Dick, huh?
I want to go dance.
Okay, let's see it.
That looks damn good. So, babe,
Oh, I
and
like-
YouTube, actually, I have another question for you guys. So, the roof is black, you feel? Should we do the top of the wing black to match the roof, or is that...
No.
You don't think so? Me and Cameron think so. So, yeah, your opinion's void. No, YouTube, come here. What do you guys think? Drop a comment down below if you want to see this black. Or should we do this carbon fiber?
Ooh. Ooh, that's what I'm talking about.
Dude, bruh.
What? The little...
Listen, this carbon fiber and this piece right here, carbon fiber too.
Yeah.
Ooh, money.
I think so.
Alright, bro. Let's bolt
Okay.
this bitch on color day. Ah, that's so pretty.
Looks so good.
Front lip time?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it. Don't rip this one off.
Probably will again.
Good thing they're cheap though. You still like the meaty fitment?
Yeah, I do.
I can dig it. It looks good on here.
I know.
It's not even. I remembered
it's
it
honestly
being.
not that meaty. You get
Yeah.
used to it.
What do we got in store?
Flip, Ricky 2.
Hell yeah.
Skullgirl Beats.
We're known for our dead batteries. Oh shit!
That is normal.
Ah, why is our batteries always dead?
Looks like a brand new car.
Lip changes everything, bro. Everything. And the wing. Ooh. That looks straight fire, my dude. That looks so freaking good. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Do you think WRX wings on STIs is kind of ricey, or do you think it looks good? I personally love it. This angle right here, dude, that's the angle. That looks so sick. Hold up. Let me get an exhaust note. Shout out to Grimsky for the exhaust. Let's hear it, bro. Needs to be louder. More loud coming soon. It sounds good.
Yeah.
Dude, that wing matches perfectly, like 100%. For sure. If you guys want to pick up this wing or the front lip we just put on the car, it'll be linked down in the description box below. Go pick one up. They fit really good. Looks good. Looks sick. I can dig it.
Ron approved.
Ron approved. All right, guys, here's the scoop. We're gonna go race these cars, but I'm not gonna post a video until this video right here hits 2,000 likes. So if you don't get 2,000 likes, 2,000 likes. Say this, if this video hits like 40,000, that's like, I don't know how many percent because I suck at math. 2,000 likes, and you guys can see these two cars right here battle it out.
It's not been a race. This thing's got it easy.
What?
This thing will wax. I don't even know what that is, a Z?
Just the Z.
China?
Just the Z. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this video right here. If you guys want to go check out Cameron's channel, I'll have a link down below. He does way better work than I do, but it's on dirt bikes, not cars. So guys, go check out his channel. It's pretty damn sick. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out. I'll see you in that race video if we get 2,000 likes.